Horizons has the ability to also support payments and e-commerce features, which is a really exciting addition. So if you're building a project where you want to sell something and accept payments through your website, that's something Horizons can now help you do. So right here within my homepage, I have this pricing section. It shows the prices, but you can't actually pay for the services. I want to tell the Horizons AI to allow Stripe checkout so that way my website visitors can actually pay for the session. So I'll go over here on the left-hand side and I'll say this: add a new pricing section on my homepage for my photography services. Include 3 package options. Include pricing, a description of each package, and a button that lets visitors pay online using Stripe. Keep the design clean and professional so it matches the rest of the website. Okay, so this should get us on the right track. We're asking for Stripe functionality, and we're also asking the AI to recreate this section of our homepage. So I'll go ahead and submit this change here. And we'll let the Horizons AI go ahead and build this out. Okay, so here's something we haven't seen yet with the Horizons AI. In some cases, it may give you multiple options and ask which one you want. So right here, it's saying I can either choose to have an online store, or I can have a custom build. This custom build here will allow us to have a custom pricing section with our exact design, an individual Pay Now button for each package, and then direct Stripe checkout for each service. To me, this sounds like more what I'm looking for. If you want to build more of an online store, you could go with this option. But I'm going to go down here and tell the AI that I prefer option 2. So I'll go ahead and send this message. And now it's going to go ahead and build that out for me. All right, now the project has been updated, but there's one important thing I want you to know about setting up your Stripe account with your Hostinger Horizons project. Right here, it's going to give you a guide about how to get your Stripe API key. Before your Stripe configuration on your project will work properly, you need to complete this step. First, go to your Stripe dashboard. Then go down and click on Developers. Click on API Keys. Then scroll down here and find your secret key. You'll want to copy this here. Then go back over to Horizons. And then paste in the secret key here. I'll go ahead and send this. And now it's going to link your Hostinger Horizons project to your Stripe account. All right, so now everything should be configured and set up properly. Now that my project has reloaded, I have a new section here on my homepage called Photography Packages. Below that, you'll see I have 3 different packages listed, and I can scroll down each of them and click on Book Now. And now this is going to open up the Stripe checkout for my website visitor. Stripe payments and e-commerce features are still being rolled out and worked on within Hostinger Horizons. So if you want to learn more about this, I'll leave Hostinger's official guides down in the description so you can keep going from there.